Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today, we're doing some stuffed strawberries. Stick with me. Alright, for this recipe, we just gonna need some strawberries. Got some cream cheese and whipped cream, powdered sugar. These are gonna be our stuffing for the strawberries. We'll combine all this together. Basically the same recipe I used for my strawberry delight. I told you I was gonna make something else with that filling. That it was way too good. I'm gonna add a little vanilla extract to this to kick up the flavor a little bit to put inside these strawberries. I've seen it done. They used cheesecake filling. Figure I'd try something different. Stick with me. Alright, show you what I'm working with here. What we're gonna do is just trim the top off a little bit. Take a milling bottler. You could probably take a knife or something else. You get a nice little hole. So repeat that. Get rid of these. Easy peasy. Like I said, you could probably take your knife and dig that out. Probably get it done just as quick and easy. But let me do this. Get these topped off. And I will get right back with you. Alright, just about got all these done. Figure I'd do a couple more for you to see. Just in case. I mean, it's just that simple. It's easier to work with the bigger ones. Of course, you probably figured that out. But I've gotten into a couple of small ones. I think this is the smallest one yet. You just want to get the inside of it. You got to get the gist of that. Right? Right. Just easy peasy. I wish I could get a better angle on these, but I'm sure you got the gist of what I'm doing there. You know, just stick it in, twirl it around. Try not to damage it too bad. And if you do, oh well, you're not doing it to sell to somebody. You're just doing it for your baby like me. She might forgive you, or she might not. So do your best, and we'll see how that turns out. Let's work on our stuffing. I'm gonna put these in the fridge for a second. All right, we got our 1 package of cream cheese. Where my whipped cream go to? Oh, back here. All right. Then we have our whipped cream, which we're going to do about half of this container, which is 8 ounces. About like that. Seems good. And then we're going with a cup of the powdered sugar. Just like that. Teaspoon of vanilla. Combine this together, and I'm hoping I can do this without breaking out the mixer, because I honestly do not want to have to do all that. And I think we're gonna get it done. So let me finish this and I'll bring you back. I didn't break out the mixer, but I did break out the whisk to smooth this out the way I wanted it. Looks good. Let's let it cool, and then we're gonna add it to our strawberries. All right. I got me plastic bag where I put my fillings in, and I'm just gonna snip tip of that off, and what we got is a piping bag. So let me get some gloves on and do these strawberries. All right, got the glove. See how this is going to work out. Looks good. We're just going to fill it just like that. Now you could add anything that you want to it. I'm just going to dip these in chocolate and call it a day. Because now, not a designer. And I hope I got enough filling to do this. I'm sorry if I done got out of range of the camera. I'm trying to see, and I guess I should be trying to let you see. My bad. They're nice and filled. Good stuffing. And I love the way this filling tastes. It's good. Good enough just use them on the biscuit. Or country boy style. I think if I was stuffing some, I didn't open that one up. Some French toast. This would be a good filling for that too. Have to keep that in mind. Next time I got a bunch of company and I'm fixing breakfast. French stuffed toast. Sounds good. Sounds like a video. Yeah. Alright, let me get the rest of these done. I'm going to use this to dip my strawberries in. And it's Baker's. It's microwavable, easy peasy, so we're going to go with that. Alright, got them all filled. Got my chocolate melted. The instructions are on the side. Go for 30 seconds and then let it stir it. 30 more seconds, stir it until it's completely smooth. And I probably should have put me down some paper. You know what? Let's do that. Alright, got the wax paper. And for a little extra precaution, I went ahead and sprayed it. That way, a little less stickage. But I'm sure you got the gist of this, and I'm making a mess. It's what I do best though. Cook, make mess. Hopefully somebody gonna come along cleaned up behind me. Don't always work like that, but that's what I hope for. So, with that said, let me finish this up. End results, they're looking fantastic, tasting wonderful. Just give this a try. Be a great gift for the girl or your man. Valentine's Day. So this is my Valentine's treat for my wife. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. Tell a friend about me. Subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you on the next one.